Hey guys, you are welcome back to my channel Cherish Coco. In today's video I will be showing you how to prepare mini chicken pie. In here I have my carrot, I have my onion, I have my hot pepper, but this is optional, a clove of garlic, my potatoes, and my chicken breast. So let's get started by peeling off our potatoes. I'm done peeling it. I will go ahead and dice it. So guys, I'm done with potatoes. I will go ahead and dice the carrot same way. I'm almost done dicing the carrot. I will go ahead and cut the chicken breast and remove the skin part of it. I will be putting the chicken in the manual food chopper. All done with the chicken. And this is the result. I prefer shredding my own chicken myself, rather than buying in the shops. So let's go prepare our chicken pie fillings. Get a pan and add oil to it. Put in your sliced onions. Let it fry for a minute. And shred a clove of garlic in it. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. And add your shredded chicken. Stir together and cover it. Let it cook for some minutes before we add other ingredients to it. The chicken is set. I will go ahead and add my diced potatoes and carrot. Give it a stir. I'm adding some salt and chicken seasoning. I'm adding some curry and thyme to it. Add 1 spoon of flour to a bowl. Add a little water to mix. You should get this after mixing, and pour it in the filling. Add a little bit of water, and stir to combine the ingredients. Let it cook for some minutes. The chicken fillings is all ready now. Turn off the heat and dish it out, and allow it cold for a while. Let go and prepare the pastry. I will be using 1 kg of all-purpose flour. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt and a spoon of sugar. Mix together to combine. I'm adding some butter to it. Then, mix properly until it's become crumbs. I will be adding some cold water now. Then mix properly to form a dough. But do not over-mix it. Divide the dough into 2 parts and put one in the fridge. While we work with the second part, cut the dough into small parts. And roll it flat. Then put it in the pinkie pie maker. Put some fillings inside. Repeat the process until they are all done. All done now. I will be transferring the pie to the tray. Break 1 egg into a bowl and egg wash the pie. Put it in the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. The chicken pie is all ready now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. See you soon on my next video.